Good morning students. Today we are going to learn exercise 2D, that is steps of problem solving. So the steps of problem solving help you to think in organized way and decide how to solve a word problem. See, here they are given 5 steps. R for read, F for find, D for decide, S for solve, C for check. See, R. Read the problem and understand the question. So first of all you have to read the problem. What kind of problem? You have to understand the question. That is the first step. Then find the important information in the problem. So what are the important information they have given? You have to take and write as a statement. Then decide what to do. So what kind of sum? So whether it is subtraction, addition, multiplication or division. So we have to decide. Then solve the problem. Answer the question. At last you can check the answer whether it is right or wrong. So if you follow these 5 steps, you can do all word problems in very easy way. See the first word problem in exercise 2D. The Sunshine Club newspaper printed 33,530 copies in a year. Of this, 28,395 copies were distributed. So how many were not distributed? So first you have to read the question. Then what they have given, what details they have given. They have given total number of copies and number of distributed copies they given. So we're going to find how many were not distributed. So how will you find? So this is subtraction. Because if you subtract distributed number of copies from total number of copies, you will get how many were not distributed. See, you have to take and write the statement. Total number of copies 33,530. Number of distributed copies, that is 28,395. So we found this is subtraction sum. So how will you subtract? 0 minus 5. So we can't subtract, so we can borrow from 3. So 3 convert to 2, the 0 convert to 10, 10 minus 5, 5. 2. So that is also not enough. So we can borrow from 5, 5 convert to 4, the 2 convert to 12. So 12 minus 9, that is 3. Then 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 3 is not enough. So we can borrow from 3. So this 3 convert to 2, then this 3 convert to 13. So 13 minus 8, that is 5. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. No need to write. So therefore 5,135 copies were not distributed. Next D sum. Mr. Shenoy had rupees 3,25,765. He borrowed rupees 1,12,700 to buy a new car. So how much did the car cost? So first read the question. You have to understand. So Mr. Shenoy had already some money, that is rupees 3,25,765. So that is not enough to buy a new car. So he borrowed from others amount rupees 1,12,700. So here we can find how much did the car cost. How will you find? So if you add the two amount, you will get the amount of new car, isn't it? See how to take and write the details from the question. The amount he had, that is rupees 3,25,765. Then the amount of he borrowed, rupees 1,12,700. So if you add, you will get the amount of new car. So that is addition. So that is addition sum. So you can add 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 7, that is 14. So 4 carry over 1. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So therefore the amount of new car is 4,38,465 rupee. Now is Sriram owns 75 tournaments. The prize money totaled up to 2,25,000. If he received the same amount for every tournament, how much had he earned per tournament? So read the question carefully. What they have given? They have given total amount of money, that is rupees 2,25,000. Then, so how many tournaments he had win? That is 75 tournaments. So you're going to find how much had he earned per tournament. So how much money he got in for one tournament. So how will you find? So what kind of sum this one? See, if you divide the total money for 75 tournaments equally, you will get the amount of money for one tournament, isn't it? See, so take a look at the details. Number of tournaments 75, amount of total prize money rupees 2,25,000. If you divide the amount for 75 tournaments equally, so that is division sum, you can divide. So 75, so how will you divide? See, 75 3s are 225 will come. So 3 75s are 225. So remaining 0 you just bring down and put up. That is 3,000. Therefore, Sriram earned rupees 3,000 for one tournament.